Hello, welcome back again to another session of Autocad 3D drawing. This time around, we are going to be making advanced 3D drawing practice. So, today we want to start with this M10 slotted knot. M10 slotted knot. So, without wasting time, let's see how this drawing is made. Please, we are going to start making advanced drawing that you see, you know what it is. Like this knot, you know what it is. So please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, because we are going to make nice drawings. And then immediately after this advanced drawing, we will start again go back again to AutoCAD 2D drawing when we are going to do drawing plans, that is building drawing, that is mainly civil engineering. So just subscribe and keep watching. Alright, so let's start. To start this drawing, I'm going to turn off this my grid line so that the environment will be so clean. So first of all, you go to this draw panel, draw tool panel. You select on this polygon. You enter size, number of sides to be 6. Enter. You specify center here on the screen, and then you choose circumscribe about circle, and you enter radius of 8.5. 8.5. Enter, and you have this. Once you are done with this, you go to the same draw toolbar and select circle. Come to the center of this drawing and make a circle of radius 4.7. Enter. Now at this point, we are going to convert this to 3D. So you click on this home icon here and choose press pull. You click inside here and drag it up a unit of 12. You will have this, right? Now I'm going to make another circle. So you click on the circle to come to the center of this object. You make a circle of diameter, type D, diameter 17, and you have this, right? So at this point, we are going to click front view of this. Click this front, and you have the object like this. So at this point, we are going to pick a line tool. Before we do that, you have to click on this icon and choose view before you can draw that. Sorry, remember, you always have to change this view before you can make that drawing. So when you choose this view here, you pick a line tool. You make a line at an angle. You type this less than sign 210. Enter. You make that line. Okay, so after making this line, I'm going to go back to home icon here. So I'm going to move this line. So before I move that line, I'm going to choose this wall UCS. After choosing that, I will type M for move, and I will click on this line and I will move this line. I want to pick at the center. Come to this circle. You see this quadrant indicated. You click on that quadrant. If that quadrant does not show, you should make sure you activate it. Okay, so at that point, I'm going to mirror that. So I can go to the front icon here, right? And MI for mirror, you click on this, and then you look for a center line and mirror it. Make sure you mirror it correctly. So let me see if that mirror is correct. MI, select on this. Let me turn on my auto mode so that it's going to be straight. Okay, I have this. Okay, so let's go back to the home icon. Look at it here. At this point, I'm going to revolve. So for me to revolve this, I'm going to click on the revolve tool. You cannot see, you make this drop down menu. You click on the revolve tool. You click on the two lines. Select this and select this. Enter and select the center here and click anywhere, then enter. You will have this. Now for me to see this clearly, I have to change the view to shaded. Now I have this. You can see what I made here. The next thing I'm going to do is to slice this object so that I will have only the M10 nuts with slice surface. So for me to slice, I will come to slice here. You click on it. You click on this. No, it's 3D. I'm going to click on this 3D. So you select 3D solid. Enter. You click on the surface here on the command line. When you click on the surface, you now click on this. Yes, surface revolve and click enter. So you can now delete the sliced surface. Now click and delete. Yes, delete. And also click on this. Yes, delete. Now we have that surface. Okay, you can do the same thing to the bottom by rotating it like this. Then you slice it also. You click on slice, click on this, enter, select surface here, and then select on this. You click it and enter. You can now delete the slice surface. Just click delete and click this one also. Yes, delete, and we have this. We can move it out from there so that we can delete the 2D drawing that are there. Okay, so we have to group it. So we group it by using union, solid union. You just use solid union and enter. Now we can move the 3D objects away and then delete all the 2D geometry. And then we have this. You can see we have this. Okay, so this is not all. We have to make the selected part. Okay, so to do that, let's click on this front here. Now this front is giving us 3 faces. You can see 3 sides. So at that point, we are going to make another drawing. How do we do that? Before we do that, you have to click on this view. Select this view. You make a line. You can make a line 3 units to the right, 4 units down, and then 3 left, and then you join the line like this. Once you are through, you can come to arc here and select center start end. So you click at the center, you click at one end, and then you click at the other end. You have this. You can now trim off the middle line. TR, trim off the middle line, and you have this. So we go back to home icon, and we can now move this. Okay, before we move, let's join it together. So you type J and you select the object, enter. You can now move this as one object. You select the middle point here, come to the center of this knot and drop it there. And now the next thing, we have to press pull this. So you select on the object and press pull it to any convenience length, and then we have to move it also to penetrate towards this side. and at this point I want to revolve this. So you click on sorry, not revolve, polar array. So you come here and select polar array. You select the objects that you want to do polar array, enter, and you choose axis of rotation. Axis of rotation. When you choose axis of rotation, you click the center of this object and you drag it to any point like this and enter. Then you choose the number of items to be 3 and then you close. You have this. So next thing we are going to do is to subtract. So you come here to the solid editing menu, and then you select solid subtract. You select the main objects, enter, and then you select all these objects, enter, and then we have this. You can move this object away so as to delete any 2D object drawing that is there, or you can directly select the 2D drawing, which is polyline, and delete, and we have this. So you see, this is what we wanted to draw. M10 slotted knot. M10 slotted knot. See, so it is exactly what we had here. So as simple as that. So stay tuned, subscribe, and watch out at our next 3D advanced drawing. Don't worry, before you finish all the practice, you become a pro in AutoCAD 3D. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye.